Hope you are well. After this huge winter arc storm, I am reporting live from afternoon coffee time, and we are feeling a little Gilmore Girls glamour today. Now, most of the morning, I have been watching the Gilmore Girls and planning what to do while this snowstorm is blowing through. One Gilmore Girls theme are Rory's books, except we are going to do something different and not read the books that she has read on the show. I am challenging you to read at least one book a month, a book of your choice, a book that you will personally enjoy, and leave a comment below telling what you're currently reading or would like to read. Now for January, we have been reading this book. Now, I won't give anything away, but I would love to know what your thoughts on this book is. We are currently reading Deep Freeze by Lisa Jackson. Now, of course, each month I will share what we are reading, but I wanted to share 12 books for this year. Okay, so I already showed you what January's book is going to be. I'm thinking this one is going to be for February. It's called Maybe Once, Maybe Twice, and it's by Allison Rose Greenberg. And I'm not going to go into detail about what all of these books are about. I've already read the back of these, and a lot of these I really can't wait to read. But this is going to be probably for February. And then I actually thought I bought two of the same books, but I didn't. Last year I read this one. I do recommend it. It's really good. It does keep you on your seat. I do have to read the other ones by this author because she's a really good writer, Hannah Jane. For March, I'm going to read this one by Natasha, and it looks pretty good. And a lot of her books are there, so I'll decide on if I like this one and then continue to buy more by Natasha Preston's. That would be for March. This one possibly for April. What could be saved? May, The 7-Year Slip. Pause the video so you can read the back of this again. June, I'm thinking this one. I've heard a lot of good things by this author, Shelby Van Pelt. I try to keep the theme with the month, so there's some books that I may end up switching out. For July, The Seaside Library by Brenda Novak. I don't believe I've read any of her books yet, so I'm excited to see about this one because it seemed really interesting to me. August, I think we're on. I bought this last year wanting to read it, but ended up not having enough time, so I'm going to attempt to read this year. September, I believe this is what we're going to be reading. Again, I heard a lot of good things about this book as well. October is Under Your Spell. Hopefully it goes with the theme of the month since it's October and Halloween and everything. So we'll see. This might switch with September depending on a little bit more research I do for this book. November, No Way Out by Fern Michael. I actually read another one of her books last year. Fear Thy Neighbor, and it was really good, except for I wanted this book to continue. I didn't feel like it was a good stopping point because I feel like once we got to the middle of the book, that's when the action really started to happen. So I really wanted this book to continue. So I'm going to try this one. Hopefully it's not the same way. If it's the same way, then I probably won't be reading any more of her books, just because so much more drama that you could put in towards the end once you get to the good part. So that is going to be in November. December, I actually think I may change this one to a different one. I just haven't gotten the book yet. But so far, I'm just going to put this out there for December. So these are the books for this year. So those are some of the books that I am thinking about for this year, and of course I may rethink some of them depending on the holiday for the month or whatever the theme of the month is. Okay, so I am planning a little evening cozy fun. I decided I wanted to do last year's trend and do the DIY butter candle. So I bought the safe food grade wick with edible beeswax. I found out that Walmart has only one left, so I'm going to scramble to get that bread. So fingers crossed it won't sell out by the time I get there. So without further ado, let's head out to Walmart before the snow comes. Now I'm going to bring my Bujo journal out and begin painting February's theme so I can continue on this theme throughout the year. So we're going to research a little bit of what I want to use for this theme. I have some ideas already, but not 100% sure on what I want to do for February. Probably more of a Valentine's theme, but we'll see. Now I need to just choose a movie. I'm not really sure what I'm in the mood for, but let's see what is new that came out on Netflix recently. Okay, so it's a toss-up between Finding Her Edge and People We Meet on Vacations. I'm going to ponder about this for a little bit, probably go with the movie over the series, but we'll see. Now we're going to begin dinner and prep the bread and butter. So I think we will just do a simple cube steak with ginger teriyaki sauce and vegetables. That sounds pretty delicious. And I'm going to go ahead and prep for that right now. to go and bring everything out to the coffee table and then begin the movie and enjoy my night. Now I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you all stay safe during this huge winter storm, and I will show updates later.